So friends, question is 8x raised to the power 2 into x plus 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So first of all, multiply them. It will become 8x cube and then 8x square minus 1 which is equal to 0. We can write it as 2x whole power cube plus 2 into 4 x square minus 1 which is equal to 0. So 2x cube plus 2, it can be written as 2x whole square minus 1 which is equal to 0. So from here 2x and 2x are same. So let 2x is equal to y. Now it will become y cube plus 2y square minus 1 which is equal to 0. Now plus 1 and minus 1, we will add plus 1 and minus 1 in whole expression. So it will become y cube plus 1 plus 2y square minus 1 is minus 2 which is equal to 0. So it can be written as y cube plus 1 cube, and from this we can take common 2. It will become y square minus 1 and 1 can be written as 1 square which is equal to 0. So as we know, a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So it will become y plus 1 y square plus y and 1 minus plus 1 square mean 1 plus 2 and a square minus b square is equal to a minus b, a plus b. So it can be written as y minus 1, y plus 1 which is equal to 0. So now we will take y plus 1 because y plus 1, now we will take common y plus 1. Y plus 1. Now we have remaining y square minus y plus 1, and from here 2 into y minus 1 which is equal to 0. So it will become y plus 1 y square minus y plus 1 plus 2y plus minus is minus 2 1 time 2 which is equal to 0. Now y plus 1 y square, like terms will be simplified. 2y minus y is just y plus 1 and minus 2 is minus 1 which is equal to 0. So from here y plus 1 is a factor which is equal to 0 and y square plus y minus 1 is equal to 0. From here y is equal to minus 1, but y is equal to 2x. So it will become 2x is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to minus 1 divided by 2. Now it is a quadratic equation, so we will apply here quadratic formula, which is y is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, and in this equation we have a is equal to 1, b is equal to also 1, and c is equal to minus 1. So minus 1 plus minus 1 square minus 4, a is 1 and c is minus 1, divided by 2, 1, minus 1 plus minus 1, minus minus is plus 4 divided by 2. So it will be equal to minus 1 plus minus square root of 5 divided by 2, but y is equal to 2x, so it will become 2x is equal to minus 1 plus minus square root of 5 divided by 2, dividing 2 on both sides, so we can write it as x is equal to minus 1 plus 5 divided by 4 square root of 5, and x is equal to minus 1 minus square root of 5 divided by 4. So here we have three values of x, so it will be x1, x2 and x3. Thank you.